welcome all of you. Today we are going to talk about intrinsic content size. As per the Apple documentation, the intrinsic content size is the natural size for the view by considering only properties of the view itself. In other words, the exact amount of space the view needs for its content to appear in the ideal state. In general, the intrinsic content size is the exact of its normal CG size. You do not need to worry about this term unless you are dealing with content compression ratio and content hugging priority. Don't worry, we will discuss these terms in upcoming video. For example, the size of a label having a red background color has an intrinsic content size of width equals to 163 and height equals to 46. Let's take one more example. What if you would like to get a result shown in a picture? Generally, developers will add a label as a subview of UI view and give a corner radius to a parent view. This will give you an exact result as in the picture, but we can achieve a great result by using intrinsic content size, and we can avoid a subview to a view. In this picture, I have used intrinsic content size of label. What if we do not use intrinsic content size to achieve this result and give a corner radius directly to the label? See, this is the difference between results of using and not using intrinsic content size. Let's quickly dive into the code, how we can achieve this amazing result. Create a new application and store it in your machine wherever you want. After view did load, view did appear will call. Let's create a UILabel inside view did appear. Set a text to it. I am label. Background color, set it to blue. And text color to a white so that it will be visible, and add it as a subview of main view. For a auto layout purpose, translates auto resizing mask, set it to false. For a better UI, let's set our label to the center of our main view. Let's check whatever we have made. And there it is, a label in the center of the screen. Now come to the main point, intrinsic content size. Create a subclass of UILabel and name it as a custom label. Var intrinsic content size. Let's search for a size. It returns a CG size, so CG size dot init width 50, height 50. Let's check the result. Oh, yeah, we forgot the change a class. Let's check again. And yes, we got a label of height 50 and width 50. But we want some padding around our label. So first, we need to get an original content size of UILabel. So super.intrinsic content size. So we store our original size in a variable. Let's check it how it looks like by add a padding of 10 around it. Yes, we got a padding around it, but we want some more, so change it to 15. It will take some time to build. Now it looks better. But we need something different. We have to add a corner radius to it. Let's do some change. Make sure to get exact rounded corner. We need to divide its height by 2. In most of the cases, our view will be of same height and width, so it doesn't matter you are dividing height or width. And set mask to bound equal to true, and yes, we got our result. We are almost there. Just to set a text alignment to the center. And there it is, we got our result. Let's do some change in font. Of course, you can do as per your desire.